Hey guys, it is Thursday here in West Virginia, and we are coming back with another action figure to show you. This is another one of my son's figures from his collection, and he's here to help me again today. Say hi, Ethan.
Hi, and me again.
Yeah, he's got a huge Marvel Legends collection for a 5-year-old. He's almost 6, so I think he's got, what, 30 figures?
Yeah.
Yeah, so he's got quite a few. This guy here, Colossus, just came out, I think, in November. He was released with, I think, 4 or 5 other figures for Deadpool, and it was all because of the Deadpool and Wolverine movie. They had the Wolverine and the yellow X-Men suit that has like the Hugh Jackman regular head and the one with his mask on. Then there was the bright red Deadpool. And there was a few others. Logan Wolverine with head pull and such. We're going to do an unboxing on all of those for you. We got all of them for Christmas. So Ethan had a very good Christmas this year. But anyways, this guy's already been out of the box and played with, but we save our boxes just in case. And Ethan is pretty careful when he plays with them. I mean, he's not super careful, but he treats them pretty well. So they don't get really banged up too bad. So I know this is sacrilegious for collectors, taking them out of the box and letting the kids play with them. But really, that's what they were intended for, just like my Hot Wheels. So, as you can see here, it's from the Deadpool collection, the Deadpool Legacy collection. And it is recommended for adult collectors, 14 and older. But hey, I give them my 5-year-old. And these are brought to you by Hasbro. And it does have choking hazard warning and such like that. Marvel Legends series there and more. On the side with Marvel's Colossus, another picture of him from the movie. And on the back, yeah, it tells you about, our background is falling down. It tells us about the other figures. As you can see, also look for it doesn't say, it's just other languages. I was going to say the names, but there's Deadpool. And this Deadpool is in a very vibrant, bright red outfit. And this one comes with Hugh Jackman's head. And it's super detailed. It looks just like the actor. And the face, or the head, with the helmet on. And the Logan figure comes with head pull. You have to buy the Logan figure from this Legacy series to get head pull. So anyways, let's get him out and take a look at him. And we cut the tape a long time ago. We'll pull him out. And our box is shot, though. You can see the front of it cracked. I don't know if it was like that when we got it or it happened just from storage. But we've only had him for, well, since Christmas. Well, I had him way before that, but we just opened it at Christmas. So, as you can see, before I pull him out, he comes with a spare head that he's looking very angry, showing his teeth, wrinkling his brow. Then he has hands that are open that you could use to hold some weapons, but not too much, because the thumb is kind of just like this. So it doesn't grip stuff really good. What they were intended for is to hold this book here with the rules in it that he's always reading to Deadpool. So anyways, let's get him out and we'll take a look at him. Now, the articulation on these figures is amazing nowadays. I mean, everything moves. You have joints everywhere. The hip joint here, it's on a pivot ball. Then it also can turn like that, 360 degrees. It's jointed here. You have your knee. It has a couple of different joints, one up here, one down here. The foot also articulates a little, but not like the smaller guys. The smaller guys have much better articulation with their ankles than the big guys. But still, the big guys are not bad. As you can see, the articulation on the arm, it still has the shoulder movement, but also has upper bicep movement, forearm movement, your hands swivel all the way, and then some hands are on a pivot also, and you can bend them, but this one you can't. This one's kind of fixed. And anyways, this is his fist hands, like he would have for fighting, I guess. And then the book. I want to take that out and show you guys because that is kind of cool. But yeah, these guys are very nice, and they really should be for what they charge you. I think Colossus retail price would have been like 30, but I ended up paying 40 for him because I could not find him at the store. I had to order him from eBay from the secondary market. And it's even more than that. Sometimes I've seen going high as 60 bucks. But this book here, it has the writings in it, and it's kind of a joke, but it says on the first page, no killing. Let me zoom in. No killing anybody ever or anyone ever. And it says label everything in the refrigerator. So they know, like, it's Deadpool to eat everyone's food, and Deadpool loves killing people. So that's the main reason it came with this book with those rules on it for Deadpool. So it's kind of cool. Now with Ethan, he likes having the hands that are open. So really the hands, they just come right off. I mean, you have to pull a little bit. And I'll show you how they're mounted. There's a little barb. It's like a barb fitting. Slides in and goes past that little round thing and locks them in. And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple design. And as I said, some of these hands, and this one does, it move. As you can see how it has the pivot here? The hand can move like this. So you have full articulation on some of these figures for the wrist, which is really cool. Especially for people like Iron Man, where he's using that blaster out of his... Oops, there goes our whole background. Well, sorry guys, there's just a cardboard box. We didn't really prepare too well because usually I have my dioramas for my action figures, and as you can see, it's just a hole there. We're just sliding this in, and it pops right in. And same thing with that one. And done. So that's pretty much it for how you install the hands. It's not too big of a deal. Very easy. The head's the same way. It's on a pivot ball. Pop the head off, put the other one on. But that's it, guys. So hope you enjoyed our video on Colossus. We'll be back again next week. We'll do an unboxing on the new Wolverine and Deadpool together. And we have a few more, as I said, so we'll do those for you too coming up. But enjoy the rest of your week. I'll be back again tomorrow for our diecast video for our Free It Friday. Thanks for watching. Say bye, Ethan.
Bye.